You gonna do it again? Here, put this one in.
One, two, three.
Did you jump on something?
Yeah.
Take your toys out and then jump in there.
Jump, I can jump. One, two, three. My toys out. I'll get here. Jump.
You didn't jump in.
You need me to blow up your ball a little more? What? I'm going to sit right here and watch you.
No, over the pool.
Let me get a wipe for your nose.
Are you done jumping?
Here's the ball.
Hey, Brian, I'm going to get wipes and diapers.
Yeah.
What? You feel it up?
Oh, you're filling it up? Here. Ready? Big one. Blow. Blow. Good. Blow. What do you got? A shovel? Where? I'm going to put my feet in? Can I put my feet in?
No. Always the
My what?
bottom.
Only my bottom? Here, I think you can get my toesies wet. What you doing? Woo! Woo! It's coldy! That is cold.
What?
Oh, look at that ball. Can I blow it up a little more?
Yeah.
Okay.
I
I can. I'll fix it for you.
can.
Dollar store. Are we on video camera?
1, 2, 3.
Alright. Are you practicing for the big pool?
Yeah.
For when we go to the big pool?
Yeah.
Yeah. Yeah. Did you hurt your knee? Why don't you jump once you're inside the pool? Now Maditi's coming back.
Okay.
Okay.
Come on.
Okay. Let me fix your nose. One more wipe. Oh, sorry. Oh, you got a boogie stuck right there. Hey, Curly, you look cute. I like your suit. Is that from Jessica and Nicole?
What are you doing, babe?